guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get unlimited coins in ReelShort using this incredible ReelShort hack. Take a look at my account. I already have endless coins, and I'm here to share the exact steps to make this happen for you too. I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure it's easy to follow. Make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any important details. Grab your device and let's get started. Before we begin, let's take care of two important steps for iOS users. If you're on Android, feel free to skip ahead to the main installation process. For iOS, open your settings, go to General, and tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. This setting allows the app to function properly in the background. Next, go back to Settings, select Battery, and make sure Low Power Mode is turned off, as it can limit the app's performance. Once these steps are done, you're ready to move forward. Now that we're all set, let's proceed. Open your browser and visit appbinge.com, a reliable platform for modded apps. Search for ReelShort and select it from the results. You'll be shown a detailed page with information such as download stats and community ratings. Click the Download Now button to begin the installation process. It's fast, and shortly after, you should see a confirmation that it was successful. If you don't see it immediately, it might mean you'll need to download some additional files. It can happen when you're using the website for the first time. Don't worry though, the screen will provide clear instructions to guide you through this quick and safe step. Once you've completed it, all the necessary files will be downloaded and the installation will be finalized. I've already installed it and everything works perfectly. And that's all there is to it. Now you know the full method to get unlimited coins in ReelShort. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. If you found this helpful and it worked for you, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment and I'll gladly assist. Thanks again, take care, and see you in the next video.